Hello guys, I'm going to show you how to change the battery on this Chamberlain remote. All you need is 2032 batteries. So I'll put the link below in the description. So let's get started. Okay, first you remove the visor clip. There's a little indentation, so you give it a little twist. Oops. So I don't want to break the remote, so I'll do this side, so oh, there we go. Oops, the cover back. Let me put this case back on. Okay, so it's all removed. So first you remove the battery. Okay, now let's get a new battery. Okay, let's get a new battery on the remote. So CR2032 Energizer. Okay. So put the plus sign is still facing up. There you go. Now put the cover back on. Okay. Snap back on. Put the visor clip back on. So thanks for watching, everyone. Subscribe and make the comments. See you next time. Bye.